Hello and welcome to Lauren's Lab. I'm dyeing another batch of sock yarn today. This time it's to honor St. Lucy. Stay tuned to see how I create today's colorway. December 13th is a day of light and warmth in the midst of winter's chill, as Christians around the world celebrate the feast of St. Lucy. Known as the patron saint of the blind and those suffering from eye ailments, St. Lucy's story is one of courage, devotion, and a steadfast commitment to her faith. Born in Sicily around the year 283, Lucy grew up in a time when Christianity was outlawed under Roman rule. Her name, derived from the Latin word lux, meaning light, is fitting for a saint whose life has come to symbolize the triumph of light over darkness. Lucy was a devout Christian raised by her mother Eutychia, who suffered from a chronic illness. Lucy and her mother went on pilgrimage to the tomb of Saint Agatha, another early Christian martyr. While there, Lucy prayed fervently that her mother would be healed. Her prayers were answered and her mother's health was restored. This miracle strengthened Lucy's resolve to dedicate her life to Christ. She vowed to remain a virgin and gave her dowry to the poor. However, Lucy's plans were met with opposition. A suitor, angered by her rejection and her refusal to renounce her faith, reported her to the Roman authorities. Lucy was subjected to cruel persecution, but she remained steadfast. According to tradition, soldiers tried to move her, even dragging her with oxen, but found her immovable. As Lucy continued to refuse to renounce her Christianity, she was set to be burned with fire, yet it did not harm her. Her eyes were gouged out, and she was eventually beheaded. Upon preparation for burial, her eyes had miraculously been restored, which is why she is now the patroness of the blind. Over the centuries, St. Lucy's feast day has become associated with light and hope, a fitting tribute to her name and her role as a beacon of faith. In many countries, particularly in Scandinavia, St. Lucy's Day is a highlight of the Advent season. In Sweden, the day begins with a procession led by a young girl dressed as St. Lucy. She wears a white gown symbolizing purity, a red sash representing martyrdom, and a crown of candles on her head to honor Lucy as a bearer of light. The procession often includes other children dressed as angels, star boys, and gingerbread men, all singing the traditional Sancta Lucia hymn. No St. Lucy's Day celebration would be complete without lussekatter, or saffron buns. These golden, S-shaped treats are flavored with saffron, the world's most precious spice, and often studded with raisins. Their bright yellow hue evokes the warmth of sunlight, a reminder of St. Lucy's role as a symbol of light in the darkness. Here in the United States and elsewhere, cinnamon buns have become the favorite baked good to celebrate St. Lucy's Day. St. Lucy's story reminds us of the power of faith and of the importance of standing firm in our beliefs, even in the face of adversity. Her legacy encourages us to be lights in the lives of others, spreading kindness and compassion wherever we go. So I hope you enjoyed the dyeing of my lussekatter-inspired saffron bun colorway. I did include a nice splash of red to remind us of the red sash worn by the little girls on St. Lucy's Day. And now I'm finishing up this project by dyeing some mini skeins. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.